Sometimes when we're solving trig equations, the method of using quadrants might not always work that well. And here is one such example. Now the equation we've got in front of us, we're going to start off exactly the same. So we can divide by 4, so we've got sine as a function on its own. And then we're going to make a substitution, so we'll let theta equal 2x plus 10. And as we've seen before, as soon as we've made a substitution, we need to consider what happens to the interval. So in this case, theta can range between 10 degrees and 550 degrees. This then produces the equation sine theta is equal to -1. Now, you can use your calculator to get one solution, and that will give you a value of -90 degrees. Now, the quadrants method won't work particularly because -90 degrees is in between quadrants 3 and quadrants 4. So there's not much use in using this. Instead, it'll be better to consider the graph of sine theta. So it doesn't need a particularly accurate graph, it just needs something like this, where we can see our key values. Now we want values such that sine theta is equal to -1, so we can look at our graph and consider where those solutions will be. Now for each of these solutions, I can think about what theta will equal. Okay, so just to clarify, this axis here is theta. So here, theta is equal to -90, and this is the solution that the calculator gives us. But actually, that's not in the range that we want. The second solution from the graph that I've drawn will show that theta is equal to 270 degrees, and actually that is a valid solution. The next solution over here, well, let's have a think. We've got 360. It's going to be 540 plus another 90. So 630 degrees would be our third solution. But again, that is not in the range that we want. So in fact, this equation only has one solution, and it's that theta is equal to 270 degrees. However, going back to the very start, that's not what we want. We want to solve this for x. So with our one solution of theta, this will give us one solution for x. So just going back, we need to look at the substitution we've made to help us. So to work out x, we can take away 10 and then divide by 2. So that's going to give x is equal to 130 degrees. So it's one solution that we've obtained just by considering the graph of y equals cos theta. Sorry, y equals sine theta.